Hey guys, I'm Samara. Welcome back to German Made Easy for You. In today's video, we will learn the rules of the definite article die. Die is the feminine gender. So without further ado, let's get started. Los geht's! The nouns that end with I, die Polizei. That end with I, die Geographie. That end with ik, die Fabrik. That end with in, die Lehrerin. That end with die Lampe. The nouns that end with ans, die Bilanz. That end with ens, die Konferenz. That end with kite, die Langsamkeit. That end with heit, die Freiheit. That end with ion, die Diskussion. That end with ität, die Aktivität. That end with tät or ät, die Universität. That end with itis, die Bronchitis. That end with schaft, die Freundschaft. That end with ung, die Zeitung. That end with die Natur. That end with Ehre, die Schere. That end with Eve, die Lokomotive. That end with Ine, die Violine. That end with Isse, die Kulisse. That end with Se, die Badehose. That end with Sis, die Dosis. That end with Elle, die Welle. That end with Ade, die Marmelade. That end with Age, die Frage. That end with Ette, die Halskette. That end with Erei, die Bäckerei. That end with Thek, die Bibliothek. That end with Unft, die Auskunft. The numbers, die Eins. The female nationals, die Türken. The female professions, die Köchin. The names of flowers, die Rose. The names of fruits, die Traube. And the names of plants, die Palme. The name of planes, die F-16. The names of ships, die Titanic. The names of motorbikes, die Yamaha. Now I'm going to tell you 2 tricks you can use while writing. So you can put a red color circle before the noun rather than writing die every time. For example, you can draw a red circle and then write Milch. The same way you can also write IE or E before the noun instead of die. So which will be IE or E Milch, which of course means die Milch. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you did, smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share and comment down below. Thanks guys, bye, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss.